Sending payment via Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH, is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds electronically. To get started, you will need to gather the necessary information from the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and bank routing number. First, ensure that your bank or financial institution offers ACH payment services. Most banks do, but it is always a good idea to check beforehand. Next, log into your online banking account or mobile banking app and navigate to the Payment or Transfer section. Here, you will select the option to send an ACH payment and enter the recipient's information. Double-check that all details are correct, as incorrect information can cause delays or failed transactions. You will also need to specify the payment amount and select the payment date. Keep in mind that ACH payments typically take a few business days to process, so plan accordingly. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review the payment details carefully before submitting the transaction. It is also a good idea to save the payment as a template if you need to send repeated payments to the same recipient. After submitting the payment, you will receive a confirmation, and the recipient will receive the funds within a few business days. It is essential to keep a record of the transaction, including the payment date, amount, and recipient information, for your records. Best practices for sending ACH payments include verifying the recipient's account information, using secure online banking systems, and monitoring your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues. By following these steps and guidelines, you can send ACH payments efficiently and securely.